Thinking about going boho with your home? Wait, don't do anything until you watch this video. Bohemian style is beautiful, relaxed, and full of character. But if you get it wrong, your home might look more like a thrift store explosion than a calming sanctuary. In today's video, I'm sharing boho home decor ideas that are not only stylish, but also functional and balanced. Let's dive in. Boho, or bohemian style, is all about freedom, expression, and layering. Think tribal prints, earthy tones, lots of plants, and handmade touches. But here's the catch: boho doesn't mean random. There's an art to mixing pieces without making it chaotic. Keep it cozy and low-key. Go for low-profile furniture like linen sofas, poufs, rattan chairs, or vintage wooden tables. Boho loves anything that feels natural and lived in. Layering is the fastest way to get that boho vibe. Layer rugs, stack pillows, and mix woven blankets with fringe and tassels. It's all about texture, but keep it balanced to avoid overwhelm. Plants are a must in any boho home. Hang them in macrame planters or place them in woven baskets. Greenery adds life, freshness, and that earthy, grounded feel to your space. Biggest mistake: too much of everything. Don't overload your space with clashing colors and too many knickknacks. Stick to a base of neutral tones, then build up with layers, patterns, and accents you love. Now that you know what makes boho work, you can create a home that's full of soul, comfort, and style. Want more tips like this? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for weekly home decor ideas, DIYs, and more interior inspo. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.